We divide 147 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 7 and it is 47. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 147 divided by 5 is 29.4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.